Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Homesteading of the Grid. Today, I'm gonna share with you how I make my sweet potato rolls and sweet potato balls. It's so easy to make, guys, and let's start! Okay guys, this is the first step. We're going to make our sweet potato rolls. First, we're gonna boil it. I put water just above the sweet potato. And we're gonna boil this until the sweet potato is tender. Okay guys, the sweet potato is cooked and then I already peel it. So now it's time to mash it. Okay guys, as you can see, our sweet potatoes is already mashed. Now let's put our 1/4 cup condensed milk. We're just gonna mix this with our sweet potato. Okay guys, here's our sweet potatoes with condensed milk. I already mixed it together. So now it's time to roll it with our spring roll shell. This is what I'm using. So let's start. And by the way guys, our sweet potatoes is exactly 1 pound. Just gonna roll it like this. And then we have our water. Just wipe that with water. Look at that. Okay guys, I already wrap it. We make 6 sweet potato rolls. So let's cook it. Okay guys, we have our cooking pot here with oil. So now it's time to fry it. We're just gonna fry this when both sides are brown. Okay guys, they're both brown, so both sides are brown, so let's put it here and then let's dry like that, and then I'm gonna put it, oops, and then let's cook the rest. Okay guys, we're done cooking our sweet potato rolls, so now it's time to make our sweet potato balls. Okay guys, here's all we need to make our sweet potato balls. I already put everything in there in one bowl at the same thing. We have 1 pound sweet potato. I already cook it and mash it. And then we have 4 tablespoon flour, 4 tablespoon condensed milk, and 1 egg yolk, and 3 tablespoon white sugar. That's all we need to make our sweet potato balls. So let's mix it all together. Okay guys, our sweet potato and egg, flour, sugar, and the condensed milk is already mixed. So now it's time to fry again. So we're just gonna make a bowls. Since guys, I don't have those ice cream thingy to make a bowl, so I'm just gonna use like this. make sure it's gonna form a ball. See, it form a ball. There's so many ways to form a ball. Look at that. Looks a balls. Okay, we're just gonna fry this until brown. Okay guys, it's brown, so that means it's done. So let's just put it in here. And let's cook the rest. Okay guys, we're done cooking our sweet potato rolls and our sweet potato bowls. So test time. Test time.
Test time.
Look at that. Okay, Danielle, which one do you like first?
Which one are you gonna try? The sweet potato ball or the
potato ball?
How's that? Is that easy to eat without those teeth?
Squishy.
Is it squishy? Does it taste good?
Okay, since you tried that, I'm gonna try the sweet potato rolls.
These look like egg rolls.
Sounds like an egg roll, huh?
Mmm.
Is it good, honey?
Wow, yeah.
I'm gonna try the sweet potato ball.
Mmm. So good.
Mmm. Mmm.
Really
They're good, isn't it?
They don't really look like balls.
They look like little balls. They're about
Yeah.
size of
So good.
golf balls. Well, this is good movie watching food, isn't it?
Yeah. Finger
Watch a
food.
movie and it's just like a snackable.
Yep. Guys, I hope you try my recipe. It's so easy to make and delicious.
And you can eat it even if you're missing your front teeth. Huh? Okay, guys. Well, thanks for being with us.
We're focused in the food.
It's so good. I don't want to.
Okay, guys.
It's really good, and we're obviously hungrier than we thought. So thanks for being with us for another video from Homesteading Off the Grid. There's Daniel's bow. We'll see you for more next time.
You're so cute.